great time.
Cheers. I just want to say congratulations to 40 years, and it's been a pleasure.
That Rob Adams has something he has to say.
And he knew a lot. He helped me out. And so that was 1984 on the second floor of Charles Street in downtown Boston, which I would love to go in there. And he had that drafting board up there. We talked about engineering. It was a clean room project. And so we've been doing the clean room projects for ever since, kinda. And it's been a very good experience. And I'm very happy for him to make 40 years.
Tonight is not a tequila. Gin and tonic, okay. Wine, okay. And now Zambuca coming up.
Yes! Yes, sir.
First of all, there's somebody that isn't here tonight that didn't ask to say anything, but I know he would. And that would be Alan Willett, who also is part of a team that's worked together for 25, 35, 40 years. Rob Adams, Samoon, Alan Willett, Filter Sales, and Better Comfort Systems. And we've all worked together, and I'm very proud to have been a part of the group. For that, one thing. The other thing is, these two people are wonderful. Their family is wonderful. Working with them has been an inspiration, and it humbles us. Thank you all so much. Thank you. Right from there.